here we are at Canberra Airport. Here is Milos.
Ciao. Ciao.
And here is me. We are just waiting to board to a flight to Brisbane, and from Brisbane we'll go to Doha, and from Doha we'll go to Belgrade, and from Belgrade we'll go to Sombor, my hometown, our hometown. So this is just a little snippet from the Canberra airport. Of course, it's the compulsory lounge news agency that sells books and travel needs and all sorts of things, and we have all of that, so we don't need any of those. But it's always good to see the shiny bits from the airport. Some, of course, Australian products, UGG boots, and the rest of it local newspapers, the Australian, Women's Day, New Idea. Nothing else very special. We got our crosswords and word finds, and that's heading towards Gate 9 on the Qantas lounge to launch our travels of 3.5 months. We'll try to be friendly and remember you all, and whoever follows us will see the places where we will stay and people we will mix with, and all the nice natural beauties of Serbia and Montenegro, and possibly Hungary, and possibly some other places around the world. So this is from me for this first hello. Bye.